Hey guys, are you want to buy best car tire inflators? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car tire inflators that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Noco Air 15 UltraFast 15A Tire Inflator. The Air 15 Portable Air Compressor is a next-generation solution for fast, efficient, and reliable tire inflation. Designed for tires up to 33 inches, it delivers ultra-fast inflation with 44 liters per minute, inflating a tire from 0 to 40 psi in just 2.9 minutes and topping off low tires in under 30 seconds. Its superior duty cycle allows continuous operation for 15 minutes, making it capable of inflating 4 tires from 0 to 40 psi in a single session. The smart pressure system features an integrated sensor and Dewalt technology to automatically pause and resume inflation, preventing overinflation and ensuring precision accuracy. An intuitive digital display lets you set pressures from 15 to 80 psi, choose units, psi, kPa, bar, and access flashlight modes including SOS. The package includes a 3-foot braided hose, 10-foot power cord, multiple adapters, microfiber storage bag, and a 1-year warranty. Compact, powerful, and precise, the Air 15 is ideal for all car owners. Now our second product is Airmoto Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The Airmoto Portable Tire Inflator is a compact, powerful, and versatile air pump ideal for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. With quick and precise inflation up to 120 psi, it allows you to fill tires in minutes with accuracy and ease. Its auto shut-off feature ensures the pump stops automatically once your desired pressure is reached, making it user-friendly and hassle-free. The digital LCD displays tire pressure in psi, kPa, bar, or kg/cm, while the built-in LED flashlight helps in low-light conditions. Designed for convenience, the Airmoto stores its air hose inside and operates on a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery for cordless mobility. It inflates tires, sports balls, and cushions with included Schrader, Presta, needle, and general adapters. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily in your glove box or trunk. The package also includes a USB-C charging cable, storage pouch, and user manual, making it an essential and reliable tool for emergencies or everyday use. Our third product is AstroAI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The AstroAI Tire Inflator is a compact and reliable solution for on-the-go tire inflation. Powered by a 12V DC cigarette lighter, it comes with a 9.8-foot cord, easily reaching all tires of regular-sized vehicles. Its programmable inflation feature allows you to set your desired pressure using the M button and +/- controls, with the auto shut-off ensuring safe, precise inflation without constant monitoring. The digital display provides 4 pressure units, while the backlit screen and LED flashlight make nighttime use simple and convenient. Designed for portability, it fits effortlessly in glove compartments, trunks, or under seats. Built with AstroAI's Tough Ultra technology, the core components, including motor gears, cylinder, and connection rods, use advanced powder metallurgy for enhanced durability, extending service life by 50%. Lightweight, intuitive, and sturdy, this tire inflator is perfect for daily use, emergencies, and as a thoughtful, practical gift for drivers seeking safety and convenience. Now number 4, Aneson Tire Inflator. The fast car tire inflator combines speed, precision, and convenience, making it an essential tool for any vehicle owner. Powered by a robust motor and a reliable rechargeable battery, it delivers a maximum pressure of 150 psi and can inflate a 195/65/R15 tire from 30 psi to 36 psi in just 1 minute. With a full charge, it can inflate up to 6 car tires, saving time and eliminating long waits at service stations. Safety and usability are enhanced with the automatic shut-off, which prevents overinflation, and a built-in LED light offering steady illumination for nighttime use and SOS flashing for emergencies. The dual-screen tire pressure gauge provides real-time and preset pressure readings on a high-precision LCD, ensuring accuracy even under direct sunlight. Compact yet powerful, this inflator is perfect for roadside emergencies, home garages, or long trips, delivering reliable, fast, and safe tire inflation every time. And our last choice is Dewalt Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The Versa Multi-Power Tire Inflator is a versatile and reliable solution for fast and efficient inflation needs. Its high-pressure mode with automatic shutoff ensures tires are inflated precisely without risk of overinflation, while the high-volume inflation and deflation modes make it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from car and bike tires to inflatables. Designed for convenience, it features 3 power options: 20V max battery, 12V DC, or 110V AC, allowing use at home, on the job site, or on the go. The built-in LED light provides excellent visibility in low light conditions, and onboard accessory storage keeps all attachments organized and within reach. Heavy-duty rubber feet reduce walking or slipping during use, and the threaded chuck ensures a secure connection to the valve for safe and stable inflation. Compact yet rugged, this inflator is a practical and efficient addition to any toolkit. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.